Welcome to the weekend. It's time for another episode of the SCQ Access Show. I'm Monique Flowers.
And I'm Andre Skeen. Thanks for joining us for another Access exclusive recap. Hope you're ready to kick back and catch up on the latest School Challenge Quiz Round 3 happenings, right?
And speaking of Round 3 happenings, we're only 2 matches away from completing this round, and then we enter into the quarterfinals. Of course, I'm eager to find out who makes it to the next round, but we have to wait and see which 2 schools walk away with the win from the matches next Monday and Tuesday.
In the meantime, let's give the viewers an idea of who've already secured a spot in this week's quarterfinals. So, you ready?
Of course, Skinny, let's go.
Yes.
On Monday, Monroe showed Woolmore's girls the exit, beating them 41-25. Ladies, well done, you fought hard, but your journey has come to an end.
Wait, hold on. You ever realize that the only all-girls school that remains in the competition is Westwood High?
For you?
Yeah, I think this is a repeat of last year, and they even got an award for the top all-girls school in the competition.
For real? No, man, that's some cool FYI, Skinny. There you go. We're rooting for you, Westwood. Show them who runs the world.
Okay, let's move on. On Tuesday, the big bad Titchfield was sent back to Portland by Central High, who won 22-21.
That's
1 point can make such a huge difference.
Listen to me, I would have been devastated.
What a ball.
That was not expected at all, but we can't say this enough, guys. Quiz is unpredictable. But now for the rest of the results. On Wednesday, Old Harbour got the better of Magarty High, 25-18. Then on Thursday, St. Jago knocked out Knox College from the competition. They won 35 to Knox's 15. Hush, Kingsley.
Friday's doubleheader started with Kingston College facing Manning School. KC won that match on a score of 39-24. The second match went to Calabar, who beat Cornwall College 27-18.
All right, so let's put some things into perspective now.
Yes.
So far, we have the following schools in the quarterfinals. Central, Old Harbour, St. Jago, Campion, Kingston College, and Calabar. And we have 2 more spaces to be filled.
Yup, without taking anything away from Central, I thought Titfield and Woolmore's boys would have been in the quarterfinals.
Oh, yeah.
But outside of that, I think that everything is how I expected it to be. The Andre's prediction. Yes.
And nobody asked you. And I was looking forward to Magarty making it to the next round, but we're definitely expecting them to join us bigger and better next year. All right, time to give you the highlights from these matches. Enjoy.
Sports, look at the monitor, identify this person. Titchfield?
Larry Gomes.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Of what are you accused when you are told you have a red eye? Central High.
Bad mind. Bad mind. Or jealousy.
Judges? No. Jealousy or envy. French? What is the French term for the sky? Le ciel. Literature. To whom does Hermia's father want her to marry in the play A Midsummer Night's Dream? Demetrius. And art. What kind of paint is made from pigments and... Sports, look at the monitor, identify this person. Magarty?
Kearney James.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In which year was the Battle of Ocho Rios fought in Jamaica? 1657. French. Translate the following sentence to English. Les fleurs sont belles. The flowers are beautiful. Literature. In the novel Green Days by the River, what is the full name of the narrator and hero? Shell Lamy. And art. Which local artist created the sculpture Talisman.
David Miller. David Miller Jr.
David Miller Jr.
David Miller Jr.
I'm sorry, David Miller Sr. And that's the bell.
History. Who was president of the United States in 1949? San Diego?
49.
Truman. Correct. San Diego, I'm going to ask you again. Please not to be disruptive. Mathematics. There are 720 boys and 700 girls in a school. What is the ratio of boys to Knox College?
720 over 1420. 720 over 1420.
No. Question would have said in its simplest form, and it's 36 to 35 physics. What is the value of the universal gas? Knox College?
8.314 times 10 to the 0 joule per Kelvin per mole.
Say again?
8.314 times 10 to the 0 joule per Kelvin per mole.
Judges? No. 8.3 joule per mole per Kelvin. The question would have been, what is the value of the universal gas constant to 1 decimal place? And that's the final bell. Sports or visual question teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. That's Lawrence Rowe, former West Indies cricketer, Jamaican heritage. What is the name of the restored former headquarters of Marcus Garvey and the UNIA movement, which is now a heritage site? Liberty Hall. Literature. All is True was the original title for which Shakespeare play? Henry VIII. Art. Which local artist created the painting entitled Freedom Fighter? Osmond Watson. Bible knowledge. In the opening chapter of which book of the Bible is there a reference to a tree planted by the rivers of water? Jamaica College.
Psalms 1. Psalms 1.
No, Psalms is what we're looking for. Biology. Sports or visual question teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Kingston College.
Muhammad Ali.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What musical instrument beginning with B is made of Manning School?
Bento. Bento.
Judges, benta is what I have. Right, so it's made of bamboo with a gourd resonator and laid horizontally. When played, we leave that with the judges. French. Translate to the following sentence to English. L'argent est sous la table. The money is on the table. Literature. Proceed, Solinus, to procure my fall is the opening line in which Shakespeare play?
French. Translate to the following sentence to English. Je suis arrivé en retard pour l'école. Calabar.
I arrived late for school.
That's correct. Literature. Give the subtitle for this 1888 novel by Robert Louis Stevenson. The Black Arrow. A Tale of Two Roses. Art. The Persistence of Memory. Cornwall College.
Melting clocks.
No, it is the 1931 painting of which Spanish artist? That would be Salvador Dali. Bible knowledge. Give the name of the Israelite whose death was occasioned by his touching of the Ark. Calabar.
Uzzah.
Correct. Biology. What is the name of the layer of the inner lining of the stomach which is densely packed with gastric glands? And there is no time for that answer. Mucosa.
You know we've got lots more for you on the other side of the break. Stay with us, SCQ Access will be right back.
Soon come.